Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing essentials: an active Degoo account, chosen plan, and the app installed on your devices. Sign in with your email or Google account, then confirm your plan, free 100 GB or a paid tier. Enter payment details if needed. Once signed in, grant the app storage and background permissions on mobile and desktop so uploads can run. Make sure your devices have stable Wi-Fi during initial sync, because that first upload is often the largest and sets your baseline. Now focus on the middle steps for reliable backups. On desktop, move important folders into the Degoo Sync folder or drag and drop files into the app to start uploading immediately. On mobile, enable automatic photo and video backup and choose Wi-Fi only to save mobile data. Once uploads begin, open settings to configure selective sync so you keep local space, and set upload speed limits to avoid saturating your connection. Monitor the transfer queue until the initial large sync completes. Finish by verifying that your files uploaded correctly and that you can preview or download samples. Restore any needed items from Degoo versions or the recycle bin. Make sure you understand retention limits for your plan. If something goes wrong, try the key troubleshooting step. Restart the Degoo app and your device, then recheck app permissions and network or firewall rules. If uploads still stall, pause and resume sync, and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.